The Supreme Court today striking down President Donald Trump's executive order restricting birthright citizenship. This grants U.S. citizenship to any person born in the country, regardless of their parents' immigration status. Natalie Brand is at the White House now with the details.
The U.S. Supreme Court, in a 6-3 decision, ruled against President Trump's executive order aimed at denying automatic birthright citizenship to children of people in the country illegally or temporarily. 5 of the justices said the policy violated the 14th Amendment of the Constitution, which guarantees citizenship. Chief Justice John Roberts, writing, "The framers of the 14th Amendment extended that promise to every free-born person in this land. We keep that promise today."
If you're born on U.S. soil, you are a U.S. citizen. We don't look at the status of your parents. We don't look if they're here legally or illegally. We don't look to see if they're here temporarily or not.
Conservative Justice Brett Kavanaugh wrote separately, saying he believes the president's order violated federal law. CBS News legal analyst Jessica Levinson said the court makes clear it would actually require a constitutional amendment.
What a majority of the court is saying is that Congress cannot go along with what President Trump tried to do by executive order on his first day. So it's foreclosing the ability of Congress to try and redefine birthright citizenship.
While President Trump called on lawmakers to act, House Speaker Mike Johnson acknowledged the limitations.
You got to have 2/3 of both chambers of Congress and 3/4 of the states to ratify. It's usually at least a many years long process and very complicated.
Congressional Democrats applauded the High Court's decision.
Through the 14th Amendment, that I, the daughter of immigrants, could become a citizen by birthright and serve in the halls of Congress.
Justices Thomas, Gorsuch, and Alito dissented in the case. Alito called the ruling a serious mistake that encourages birth tourism. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.